I'm Andre, your host for today. Hai semua, selamat datang ke Nujuk New Fun Cash Your Mind. Ingat ya tagline kita. Okay guys, check and see if you can see other people's chat, messages lah. Kalau tak nampak chat, nampak kosong je, macam tak ada orang message, cepat-cepat restart your app. Okay, saya tunggulah. Okay, for those of you who are here for the first time, kita adalah sikit-sikit syarat, sikit-sikit undangnya seperti berikut. So guys, here are the rules.
A puzzle will show up on your screen. Solve each puzzle within 90 seconds. Solve all puzzles and get a chance to win the prize of the day. The prize of the day will be split amongst all the winners.
Hello, welcome back. Okay, dengan Nujuk, kenapa kita main puzzle? Actually, simple je. Puzzle ni akan mengaktifkan minda anda. Ia sesuai untuk semua lapisan masyarakat. Macam kita main futsal, badminton dan berenang dan sebagainya. Sukan tu lebih kepada fizikal anda. Tapi tahukah anda, minda anda juga kena adalah senaman sikit. Sebab minda adalah prosesor yang mengawal seluruh badan kita. So, do you agree tak? Okay, solving puzzles is a mind-flexing activity which is suitable for all age groups. It helps with your mind to have a small little workout, so you have a better motor skills and judgment in your daily life. So you guys will always stay sharp, and we want that, alright? Like the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Sessions of Nujuk keeps your mind active every day. Okay. Today's price is $1,228, people. That's awesome. Alright. If you cannot finish the puzzle in 90 seconds, tak habis, tak apa. Jangan takut. Jangan risau, guys. Use lah an apple or durian. But for the first 5 puzzles saja, okay? Kalau, this is the apple. Big enough tak? Durian kita, I tak berani lah dia nak buang. So, I buat gambar je lah. Durian senang sikit lah. Okay. Kalau apples or durian dah habis, don't panic. Okay, don't panic guys. Don't worry. Just continue to play on till the end. Korang boleh berlatih and get more dollies. Because when you play on, you can get more dollies lah. Because dollies can be used to redeem more fruits. And then hantarlah your referral code to all your friends and geng-geng korang and get them to register. But they must play one game first. Then you and your friend will get a fruit basket each. Senang kan? Okay, remember ya, we will be here live every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 12:30 PM. Tell all your friends, okay? Don't forget, tell all your friends. Alright? If you guys were to have any shout-outs, do tag us at Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. And for those of you who are playing, post up lah videos of you playing or winning and all that. And just tag us at Nujuk Live Show. And hashtag us, yang hashtag macam tu, Nujuk Live on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. We have a reward, people. We are giving out $20 tau, people. $20, okay, for those selected videos lah. So you better start recording where and when you can. Alright, $20 tau, jangan lupa Okay, time main, janganlah pula you change from Wi-Fi to data or data to Wi-Fi. Because sometimes the thing ada hang tau. Okay, so don't say I didn't tell you Okay, our team untuk hari ni adalah makanan. Korang tahu kan, kita kat Malaysia, kita boleh makan mana-mana dan bila-bila masa pun. Kita bertuah kerana cuaca kita bagus dan banyak cook-cook yang mantap. Okay, jangan lupa tu untuk sajikan makanan yang memang best lah. Kita punya cook terbaik dari ladang. Each culture has their own unique cuisines. And we are really, really lucky to be able to be in this multicultural country. You want to eat Indian can, want to eat Chinese food can, want to eat macam-macam lah. Banyak food ada. Alright. Okay, and let's see how many participants we have today. We have 121 participants. Alright. I want to see most of you win our dollar, okay? But if you cannot, still got dollies, don't forget. So are you guys ready to start puzzle number 1? You have 90 seconds, Alright, and we are starting puzzle number 1. Okay, people, roughly about 10 seconds more to go. Okay, and your time is up, but you guys can use your apple or your durian. Okay, like just now I showed you all your apple or durian. Okay, still got time. First puzzle je. I know you guys can do it. If you can't really finish it, you use lah your apple 10 seconds, right? And the results are out. We have 114 people. Okay, what happened to you 17 people that didn't pass through? But don't worry, play on, you still get your dollies. Before we go to puzzle number 2, let me just tell you about the picture that you just solved, okay? Or couldn't solve, but don't worry. Okay, it's a stir-fried ice cream, Thai roll ice cream, according to them. It's called in Thai is itim pat, okay, itim pat or whatever lah, diorang yang cakap lah, saya pun tak tahu Thai sangat. Okay, saya cubalah, kalau saya tak tahu sangat lah yang itim pat tu, jangan kecam, okay? Okay, peace out, ya. Yeah? Okay, it's also known as roll ice cream or ice cream gulung. It's a sweetened frozen dessert made using milk, cream, sugars, as well as other added ingredients to increase the flavor. So if you want anything else, just lah, add lah whatever flavor that you want. Okay, I pernah makan ni kat Times Square, sedap juga. Okay, so you guys ready for puzzle number 2? You have 90 seconds, yeah, don't forget. And we're starting now.
Oh yeah!
Okay, people, your time is up, but don't forget, okay, still got apple, still got durian. Tell all your friends, get them to register using your referral code. Can get a lot apple, can get a lot durians. Okay, banyak kawan lagi, we just started, so there's a lot more people out there that haven't, so you should try and get it now. Alright, and our results are out. As you can see, we have a lot of people that have moved forward, which is really good. Before that, let me tell you lah about this. Fried ice cream is a dessert made from breaded scoop of ice cream that is quickly deep fried. I don't know how they do it lah, but they quickly deep fried, creating a warm and crispy shell around. But the ice cream is still cold inside. Sedap tau. Even though it has been fried, that's the uniqueness of it. Okay, ice cream but kena goreng. Alright. Ice cream goreng ni senang je kalau nak buat sendiri. Okay, you can also use roti petak. You know, your roti yang you beli macam-macam. I tak nak bagi nama lah. Ini roti lah. Just get the orang roti tu, just beli one roti and then you try. Of course, ice cream ni senang nak buat. Alah, you pergilah YouTube, boleh cari. Okay, I pernah jumpa tapi belum try. I takut lah. Sebab takut ice cream dia melt. Takut sikit. Okay, you orang pernah try? Tak pernah? Okay. Anyway, you guys got 90 seconds to puzzle number 3. Now. Okay, Mark Andrew, I'm sorry, but I got to give you guys some info. At least you guys will know, and you guys can go try it. Okay, people, your time is up. But it is time for your apple and your durian. Okay, was the puzzle hard? Okay, you guys, I'm sure you guys can gauge. Few more moves, just use your apple. Don't worry, just use your apple. Okay, apple senang je, and it's easy to get. Okay, you can use your points, your dollies to redeem the apple. And we have our results. Wait, let me see. Alright, we have our results in. You guys are good. Okay, those that couldn't make it, play on. You still can get your dollies. Okay, the last picture was ais kacang. It literally means, I think, shaved ice lah. Also commonly known in Malaysia as ABC. It's a Malaysian dessert which is common in Singapore and Brunei also. Traditionally, an ice shaving machine lah, they use it to churn out the shaved ice for this dessert. And originally it was also hand cranked lah. But nowadays modern dah, kita pakai mesin je, senang. Okay, ais kacang was originally made of only shaved ice and red beans. Nowadays the number of ingredients has since expanded. Banyak ingredients now. Today's ais kacang generally comes in bright colours with different fruit cocktails and dressing. Dah memang dah evolve lah. Dah banyak version. Actually I like ais kacang lah. But okay, now I rasa macam nak try. But anyway, let's move to puzzle number 4. You guys got 90 seconds from now.
Oh yeah!
Ada 16.66 step baru habis. Okay, and people, your time is up. Your time is up. Kejap ah. I ada apple, I ada durian tau. There you go. Jalan je. Okay, time to use your apple and your durian. Alamak. Nah, bagi balik. Jangan makan
Okay,
apple jangan buang durian jangan buang. Okay. Let's wait for the results. And we have a lot of people that have moved forward. Congratulations. Okay, this one, let me explain to you guys lah. This is what they call ice kepal Milo. Not kapal kepal. It's quite popular these days. It's just shaved ice, similar to the ABC. Then they tambah Milo. Kau. A lot of Milo they tambah. And ada lah kacang also, peanuts. Dan ada juga yang tambah marshmallow. Okay, so I don't know how lah. This must be really sweet kan. Hey guys, coloured rice pun boleh tambah ke? Coloured rice boleh tambah? The coloured yang sprinkle tu. Boleh lah Boleh lah, okay. It's addictive and very sweet, I would think, because of the thick Milo tau. Whoever yang nak cuba try, go and try. Okay. Carilah tempat dia dan tag us kat Facebook. Dan bagi tahu kita kat mana tempat yang best-best, okay. Sebab I pun nak try, tapi I rasa manis sangat lah. But okay, I still wouldn't mind trying lah. Let's see how it goes. And we have puzzle number 5. 90 seconds from now. bro? Lapar, saya pun lapar. Kejap lagi kita pergi makan cendol lah Okay people, your time is up. And it's the last time you can use your apple or your durian. So you better use before we go to JOK, which is the Gem Otak Kau, which is the next puzzle. Use it while you can. Okay, last chance. Pakai where you can, alright. And let's see the results. Yes, we have the results in, alright. You guys are good, I know you guys are good. Okay, but never mind. Before we go to the last puzzle, I'll let you relax first, okay? I tell you about the last puzzle that you fixed lah. Cendol is actually a mamak specialty, but nowadays other races also selling it. But most of the mamak tepi jalan, diorang yang paling best lah, which I like. Cendol is basically shaved ice in sweet gula Melaka and santan that is mixed with droplets of green rice flour jelly lah, yang jelly yang panjang tu. I baru tahu pasal cendol yang guna santan kelapa sawit. I dengar lebih lemak, okay? Tapi I personally belum try lah. The use of santan kelapa sawit lagi, I not yet try. But anyway guys, we are moving to JOK, which is Gem Otak Kau. Okay, it's Gem Otak Kau, alright? So it's a little bit harder lah, I guess. Okay, but I know you guys are good. You guys can do it. And we are starting 30 seconds now.
Oh yeah.
Okay people yang belum habis, belum complete puzzle, come on. You can do it. Last puzzle. You need to win dollar. Come on.
Woo! Kasih menang.
Mesti kasih menang. Mesti banyak-banyak. Okay, and your time is up. Okay. Okay, before we go to the result, I tell you lah, there's now about this dragon cookie or whatever. Okay, this is ice cream. It's actually looks like cookies. Okay, ada banyak flavor dalam satu scoop tau. It's freaking cold, and when you eat it, you will breathe a frozen steam of cold air coming out of your mouth. But unlike the breathing dragon, the smoke is actually liquid nitrogen lah. So it's cool, right? Sedap kan? Okay, I pernah makan ni kat Uptown. Uptown Danau Kota, I think. Yeah. Oh, this is sedap. Okay, and let's see how many people have moved on. Alright, congratulations to the people. Okay, and we have our results. Oh, since tema kita minggu ni adalah tentang makan, jangan lupa belanja makan Jangan lupa tau. Okay, congratulations to all the winners. All of you guys bring back 15 ringgit each. Alright, your dollar balance will be updated later. For those of you who did not win any cash today, tak apa, okay? You will be earning some dollies, okay? Banyak dollies, I hope. Make sure you redeem it to your fruits and all that lah, so you can play and easier to win, okay? Come back on Monday, same time guys, 12:35 PM. Same time on Monday. Alright? I'll be waiting for you on Monday. Come and join us and win more dollar and dollies. Share us lah with all your kawan-kawan, saudara-saudari, abang adik, kakak-kakak, all, everybody, your Grab driver, bus driver, taxi driver, semua orang, okay? Once they register and play, using your referral code, you will get a fruit basket each. Guys, remember ya, we have more prizes coming up next week. Check out our Facebook, Instagram or Twitter for the updates. So, tell all your friends. Jangan lupa, tell all your friends, jangan lupa tau. Okay, and guys, don't forget, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Sessions of Nujo keeps your mind active every day. Okay? So, don't forget, tell all your friends, come back on Monday. I want to give you more dollar. I want to give you more dollies. So, you can belanja mi makan lah eventually. Alright? I am your host, Andre, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Till then, bye.